Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add people nearby on Snapchat step by step. So if you want to find and connect with new friends in your area, Snapchat's location based features makes it super easy for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Snapchat application on your phone. Then you need to log in into your Snapchat account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on the option of your Bitmoji on the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you are here, now tap on the option of the spear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here in your settings, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this privacy control section. Here in the privacy control section, you need to look for the option that says see my location. Now make sure that the ghost mode is off over here. As you can see, for my location, the ghost mode is turned on. So if I tap on this option, it is going to ask me to provide my location related details. So you will have to allow it to use your location. Now, Snapchat uses the ghost feature to show who is active around your area. So once this is done, you can just simply go to the camera screen on your phone. Now you can just simply pinch your two fingers together to open the Snap map. So you can also tap on this map icon over here and then you can get your map. So here you are going to see the Bitmoji location of all of the people who are nearby you. So you can just zoom in and out the area and then you can just simply look for the people. You can tap on their Bitmoji or their story bubble and you can see their profile. You can view their stories and profiles and you can tap on the add friend icon in order to add them as a friend directly in your Snapchat app. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.